In this video, we are going to demonstrate an effortless way to open your very own N26 bank account. If you've been curious about how to get started with N26, stick around because we're about to make the process simple and clear. Before we dive in, please take a moment to engage with us. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. And if you're new to N26, don't forget to check the video description for my referral link to create your N26 account. Let's get started on the path to financial convenience by opening your N26 bank account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit N26 website. Open your web browser and go to n26.com or use the link provided in the video description. On the N26 homepage, you'll see the Sign Up or Create an Account button. Click on it to begin the process. Start by entering your first and last name. Provide a valid email address that you have access to, as N26 will use this for account-related notifications. After verification, you'll have the option to personalize your account. Choose the N26 account type that suits your needs, whether it's the standard N26 account or a premium option like N26 Metal. Create a strong password, combining uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for security. To make your N26 account fully functional, you'll need to add funds. You can link your existing bank account or use other methods to transfer money. Congratulations! You've successfully opened your N26 bank account. In this video, we've walked you through the process of opening an N26 bank account. It's a straightforward process that unlocks the benefits of modern banking at your fingertips. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, please show your support by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and liking this video. If you're new to N26, check the video description for my referral link to create your account and start enjoying the convenience of N26 banking. For more tutorials, tips, and valuable information, visit our website at mediamagnet.business. We have a wealth of resources to help you navigate the digital world. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way. We have a lineup of valuable content to make your digital journey even smoother. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out. Thanks for watching.